I think we are all victims of our upbringing, and we come into this world all fresh and new and close to the divine spark, and we're so excited about life, and then we're conditioned. And so we're conditioned with all of these things about what health is, what medicine is. But also I can see that this would happen in the medical field when people go to medical school, they just they just start from what has been accepted for the last 100 years. Like people aren't naturally asking questions because it's already just it's already been deemed as, proven science. And so that's why people aren't asking questions.
Somebody must have found the virus, you think, or they wouldn't be telling me this stuff. Because here's the thing, everybody listening who hasn't heard me or people talking like this is saying to themselves, I know this for sure. Wait a minute. This sounds pretty simple and logical, but he cannot be right because
Right.
I know my doctor, he's not stupid. There's thousands of these people. They're the smartest people alive that they got the Health and Human Services people, the NIH people. They can't possibly all be wrong. That's what you're saying right now.
Right. So people
Now,
are saying,
all I
sure.
can say to you is show me a study where they found the virus because you can't see the virus. Like you don't have you can't sense it, right? You can't smell it or taste it. So you have to do some experiment in order to find it. And that experiment has never been done.
The whatever happens at the end of that whole process with the monkey kidney cell, the antibiotics and the, all of that, and then finally they have this thing that they call as a virus, whatever that is not something that they can see in the snot or the cough or the sneeze or something like
What
that.
they did, right, they can't find it in the cough
Yeah.
or the sneeze or the blood or so then once they break it down, then they do an electron microscope and they show you these images. Now, anybody who thinks those, they say, see, there's SARS-CoV-2. So I have what I call my pumpkin challenge test. So Pumpkin is my main cat. He was the first one. And he likes virology. So I taught him to look at electron microscope pictures, and if so I showed him 10 pictures. 5 of them were from broken down kidney cells from before 2000, right? So there's no way they had SARS-CoV-2. And the other 5 were allegedly SARS-CoV-2, the virus that caused COVID, right? You with me?
I'm
And I
with you.
said, Pumpkin, which ones are which? And he moves his right paw if it's yes, and he got 6 out of 10 right. Now,
Good for Pumpkin.
I will be willing to show it to any virologist and see if they can beat Pumpkin because the pictures are identical. And in fact, there's a huge study was published in Kidney 360 showing these pictures and proving that nobody can tell the difference between broken down kidney pictures stained with the whole electron and what they're calling SARS-CoV-2. So all they're seeing is it's broken down kidney debris